Google team I request. Google mail account team I request. Already you secure fingerprint and face lock, already your update is giving, but I request password, mail ID password change time compulsory your notification, OTP or mail message, any you giving important. After changing option is better, because number of problems, number are there, persons are changing, other persons is also changing same problem, so that problem is not identified. So please I request mail ID password changing time compulsory your information is important. After changing option is giving, automatically problem solve. Thank you. I request, I hope you understanding.